positive, do good, and it will always come your way. And remember guys, you is the only one can achieve your goal. Nobody can achieve that goal but you. So reach out, look like stop what you're doing, look in the mirror, look up on the cloud, and think and post your video guys. Whatever you like to do, if you like to wash plate, if you like to cook, if you guys, whatever you like to do, if you like to wash plate, if you like to cook, if you like to run, if you like to fart, you cook, whatever guys, it doesn't matter, post it. Post a video you're farting, whatever, you post it. Post the video guys, post the video, just post the video. If you're cooking, you're running, you're farting, you're swimming, it doesn't matter. Post the video, alright? Post the video because somebody out there